Hi, I'm Jonathan, product engineer with LexisNexis. When people ask me what I do, my answer is very simple. I talk to law firms, I listen to their problems, and show them how our products can fix those problems. One of the products I work with is Time Matters. There are a lot of things that people like about Time Matters, but one of the things I think I hear the most is simply the fact that it holds so much information all in one spot. I talk to firms and I'll ask them the question, how do you handle your information today? And they'll say, a number of things. Some of them will have manila folders for information, some of them have documents on a shared drive, maybe calendars in an Outlook or a Google. And does it work? Sure. The problem sometimes becomes when it comes time to find something. A client will call in, wants to know when the next appointment is, needs a copy of the document, and needs to confirm that something was overnight. What happens? It's complete chaos. It takes them forever. So Time Matters is designed to handle pretty much any type of information you might need. Things related to your clients, things related to your matters, phone calls, documents, calendars, you name it. It's all organized, all right there at your fingertips. So let's take a look at that scenario we have with the client and show you how Time Matters might handle that.
So say, for example, you have a client and want to see a list of all phone calls that have been made or received. Or maybe you want to see tasks, but only ones associated with a certain staff member. What about that client call? It gives you a means to come in, open up a particular case, click on a related tab, have access to events, notes, documents, contacts, pretty much anything or everything associated with a case across the entire firm, all right here.
So as you can see, Time Matters puts everything literally right at your fingertips. When a client calls in, you're not hunting around for anything. Open up a case, there's your information. It's fast, it's simple, boom, that's Time Matters.